Alright, so in this lesson, we are going to be using logarithms to solve equations, and ultimately we will be solving word problems using logarithms. But for problem number one, we're just solving this equation. So you have to get the base and power by itself. So of course, you're going to add 6 to both sides. So that would give you 4 times e to the negative x power is equal to 32. So then you just divide both sides by 4. So that will give you e to the negative x power is equal to 8. At that point, it's time to rewrite the problem in log form. Now, if you just did that blindly, you would write log base e, and you would switch these, so that would make this log base e of 8 is equal to negative x. But we know we don't write log base e. What's that nonsense? What do we?
ln.
ln. Natural log 8 is equal to negative x. How do I get rid of that little?
Divide by -1.
So true. So true.
You gotta shout me out.
All right. Shout out to my boy Malik.
Whoop. Baby.
So we have to do natural log 8 divided by -1. Wait, I don't have my calculator ready. Well, it's whatever. Put that in your calculator, and you got negative
2.079.
so
0.79.
0.79, which will round to negative 2.08 today. All right. Do you have the second one ready for me, guys?
Yes.
Put them up. So number 2 was similar to number 1. We would just subtract that 9 from both sides, so that would give us 8 to the x power is equal to 61. Okay. Nothing left to do but rewrite this in log form. So this would make log base 8 of 61 is equal to x. You know how these two sort of switch sides. Most of us, in order to put this in the calculator, we're going to have to use the change of base formula. So we will do log 61 divided by log 8. If you put that in your calculator, you got 1.98. Okay, any questions about that? All right, let's just do one more on this video. All right, so for problems like number 3, when you have the x on both sides, our only hope is to make the like bases with this.
4
So
to the third and 4 to the fourth.
that's right. These are both base 4s. So a chart like this one would have been helpful. I think it's coming. Yeah, one of these exponent tables would be useful. So 4 to the third power and 4 to the fourth power, you see the 64 and the 256. So that's the way to go when you have x's on both sides. So 4 to the third power, so that makes that 3x. And this is 4 to the fourth power. So I'll put the x plus 4 in parentheses. If the bases are equal, the exponents must be equal. So that means 3x must equal 4x plus 16. To get the x's together, we will subtract 4x from both sides. So that will give us negative x is equal to positive 16. Then dividing by -1 gives us x equals negative 16. Okay, so those are our basic skills in terms of using logarithms to solve exponential equations. So we're about to do some word problems now, and these word problems are going to give us equations like these that need to be solved, and we're going to need logarithms to solve them. So just remember these skills, but we'll do that on the next video.